Side mission garage.
Are you heading up there?
You know what I'm saying? Eat healthy. Wait, who the hell is this?
I can't believe I'm in Torque's house.
What's good, Torque fam? It's the next day. Yesterday's meet was weak, so I got a treat for y'all. Y'all gonna see one of y'all other favorite G35 subscribers. You probably know who I'm talking about just because I said that. So stay tuned in this video. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with some of the crew. And after we meet up with some of the crew, we're gonna head out to this meet. And my boy's gonna meet me there. So see y'all there. Alright, Torque fam. Now before we go anywhere, we gotta do what these motors have a problem with, and that it is the oil consumption. We gotta top it off real quick, so let me do that. Don't want the G to be going forever, and I know that for a fact because you guys were going crazy when you thought I sold it. Hold on, let me tighten this up. Yeah, so I'm gonna set this up somewhere over here. Okay, there we go. Say you want to read my mind. Oh, that is strong. Got that Motul oil right there. Let me check how much is in here. We got 4 quarts in here. We're gonna give it a whole quart real quick. I don't even need to check it. I know how much this car drinks. Yep, now off to this meet. And we out of here, boys. Alright boys, who is this?
What up everybody? What's going on, Torque fam? How you guys doing today? Where we at, bro? What are we doing?
I don't even know. Where are we?
Yo, do the vlogging cameras meet again? What's good? Yo!
Yo, alright, so we're that's in good shape. Doesn't really need anything. That's that little chip in the back. I thought that was yours.
Oh no.
Just a little chip in the back last week.
We following my boy that got my dream car. Say what's good to the Torque fam.
What up, Torque fam?
Ah! Y'all see what he driving? That's the GTR too. We following him. Me and this guy right here. Car meet. Oh, look at that hill. Oh wait, hold on now. Oh, we got CJ sitting there all pretty. Look at that pretty little thing. Look at that pretty little thing. Alright, CJ. Woo! Camera ahead. Look at them GTR taillights, bro. Those are clean. They look like human being eyes. That's type scary. Hey man, we got the wolf pack out here. You feel me? Y'all see the lineup. Hey, straight up. This is just the beginning, Wolfpack fam. If y'all don't know why I'm saying Wolfpack, I'm saying Wolfpack because I'm starting up a car club out here in Florida. It's gonna be called the Wolfpack because we hunt in packs, big fellas. This ain't single bingle like a Pringle. Oh, what are you doing? One check. Oh, they got an Evo over there. Y'all know we checking that one out. Hopefully this gets packed, because if it don't, I'm gonna be mad. Hey Torque fam, they got an Evo over here. It's the Evo 9. They big clean. I'm about to take some pictures. Doing it? Yeah guys, we're out here in SoFlo. My camera messed up, so I'm out here using an iPhone, you feel me? Gang gang.
Well, this is jacked up though. What are you doing?
Oh, this is clean. What they doing? I don't know what they doing to it, but it's clean. Oh, that's a Rari, and it's a Rari. Yeah, guys, just tilt and tilt. You ain't even have to do all that. I got shit in my eye. Now this is a meat, big fellas. Yo, that Audi clean. On everything, that Audi clean. Bruh, look at this.
That shit dirty.
Bruh. Oh my God. That is filthy, bruh. I ain't never ever seen no Audi like this.
Wow.
Oh, look at this, man.
Wow. Starting to.
Oh, that's what they doing. Oh, this is right here, by the way.
Starting to.
It's that RB. Oh, you tweaking. It's her car. You know what I mean? Yo, you got a customized sticker or something? The sun blessing you. Oh, the sun blessing you. All right, cool.
On purpose on
All right, cool. Now let's just put this motor in the G. That's what we need to do. Put this in the G. We still gonna be slow, but it's all right. We got an RB motor.
No, you gotta look at that one.
Oh, let me check this one out.
That one.
Oh, so we got, oh, whoa. Hold on now. Y'all see that? Hey, that's beyond me, big fellas. Oh, this one done up.
That's his car.
Hey, that's the owner right there on the right. Yeah, I don't know his name, I don't really care. But that's his IG if you want to check him out. But this clean. Oh, this clean. Horsepower Logic, I might have to check them out. I see a lot of people going to them. Y'all let me know in the comment section what's up. All right, Torque fam. I know y'all see that this tire is flat, but we in the rain, so shit. It's raining. Aggressive, and it's aggressive. But that's like the second time I got a flat tire on that tire, so, or the third time. Definitely has a slow leak. So I'm gonna converge the G to a Q50. And what I mean by that, that's what I mean by that. I'm putting those on a G. It's gonna look weird as hell. But let's not talk about that right now. But it's, of course, when I come outside, they want to start raining. That's beyond me. So I guess I'm gonna go back in the house. I tried to get up early for the Torque fam. Let me check what time it is.
What you gonna do when you make it? How about the lemon escape?
Hold on.
I brought the bank with me to the bank with me.
9:05.
Then I start the lane switch.
She a real rider. But yeah, I'm gonna go back inside because I can't change no wheels in the rain. So I'm gonna see y'all. When this rain is done.
That boy is Benny Honda.
Alright, Torque fam, so we're still doing this Q50 G35 conversion. We're at the shop with Cliff. Cliff's over there welding. So let's get straight to it. Remember that noise y'all saw? This is the reason why. The rotors are chewed, bruh. It's metal on metal somewhere in the front, so I need to get that checked out on BD. Oh yeah, let's get back to it, man. Torque fam. So we finished this Q50 G35 conversion. You feel me? Thanks to my boy Cliff over there. You feel me? Yeah, this a QG. What you call it? G55. This is a G55 right here, big fellas. Oh man. I shouldn't have pulled those fenders that much. Is there even a wheel on this car? You know what? Just to troll y'all, I'm gonna do a photo shoot with these wheels on. Just to be a troll. Yeah, stay tuned. Torque fam, torque fam, torque fam. What is this, big fellas? I don't even know what it is. I forgot what I ordered. You need to check this out though. Hold on, man. I'm holding y'all with my legs right now. So bear with me if you can't actually see what the heck I'm doing. You feel me? Okay. Oh, what is that, big fellas? Oh, that's a performance rotor. Oh no, these the same rotors I got. Oh, they got a box and a box. Oh, that's from Nissan. Oh, what's these? Ah, we got new e-brake shoes, huh? Oh, that's an e-brake shoe. Oh, we need some stopping power. What are we doing? What else is in here? Hey, bruh. Where the hell my pads at, bruh? Oh, Z1. Oh, y'all scamming. Oh, y'all some scammers. Oh, yeah, this is beyond me. We gonna talk about this. I ordered, look at all this rap. Hold on, man. I'm just saying. How y'all gonna send me my brake rotors, the e-brake shoes, and not my pads? Like, hold on, G. There was a letter on here somewhere. I know I'm not tripping. Hold on. I know y'all see that it says brake pads rear. Drop ship. What does that even mean? Drop ship. This item is drop shipping directly from the vendor. So I gotta wait? Oh, this is beyond me. What you mean? I wanted all of it on the same day. All of it. Not just some. You know what? Z1, y'all some bums.
Side mission garage.
Are you heading up there?
When I on break from here, I'll be over there.
Okay, I'll meet you up there.